Calling Firestore Database from another cloud project shows permission error. After reading every piece of question, documentation available online, we couldn't find a solution, so posting a question here. Our setup. Project FB, used only for Firestore in dev mode. We want to access data from this project in our dev backend server, hosted on a different cloud project. Project GCP, a GCP project with app deployed in Gay that makes a simple get call to project FB's document. The app is in Python, and it works perfectly in localhost, but not after it's deployed. Sample Flask code that we are testing with. Note: this is not a question on Firestore rules, because we are using service account key. To be 100% sure in any case, we have rules set to true always. Match, document equals. Allow read, write, if true. We generate the service account private key by going to settings, service accounts, generate new private key. Then use the admin SDK config snippet code in Python above our code. This works perfectly in localhost. Aware of the service account permissions needed, we added many permissions including editor, storage admin and cloud data store owner to the project FB ARM account for Gay service account of project GCP, at upspot.serviceaccount.com. All the Firestore packages, any other dependency are updated to the latest version. Created new keys to test again. For project FB, updated credentials, key restrictions and set them to unrestricted so any domains can access them. Deleted the versions, and tried again many times at different times of the day as well. The deployments happen through triggered cloud builds in project GCP. The cloud builds are successful. Also, all routes function perfectly except the one in which we are reading the Firestore document, code above. Deleted cookies, and tried different browsers. Instead of using the snippet code, also tried the google-cloud-firestore package, this URL. Both the projects are in the same location, as multi-location. Please advise on what we could be doing wrong, and what else we can try. We are lost at this point, and this simple task has taken us several days, and we've tried all permutations of above steps multiple times to double check. Gay response on a request to the server.
I tried this with a minimal example and it worked. Make sure your Gay app is using the application default credentials. Deploying a Flask app in Project Foo with access to a Firestore DB in Project Bar. Main.py. Deploy app in Project Foo. Visit projectfoo.uc.a.upspot.com/testfb. As expected, see permission denied error in logs. Give Project Foo's default service account access to Project Bar's Firestore DB. Wait a few minutes for YARN binding to take hold. Refresh projectfoo.uc.a.upspot.com/testfb. See Firestore worked.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.